Duncan. I'd like to thank you for showing an interest in the Suzuki Across. We thought you might like to see some of our favourite things about this amazing car. Let's start with the Across's robust and sporty design. Suzuki's designers talk about polygonal motifs, which to you and me means multi-sided, closed shapes formed in the body lines. Whatever you call the design, it is striking, but there's more to it than styling. Take the front. What you might not notice are the parking sensors blended seamlessly into the grille, helping keep your front unblemished, or that the LED headlamps have automatic high beam, so you can relax when driving home after a busy day, confident that you won't be blinding fellow road users. The elegance of the shape is enhanced by the distinctive 19-inch polished alloy wheels and the range of vibrant colours. For me, it has to be this sensual red mica, but what do you prefer? The car's talent goes beyond appearance. Take the E4 four-wheel drive system, designed to maximise grip during takeoff and cornering. Indeed, E4 four-wheel drive is an extension of the plug-in hybrid system designed to deliver superior fuel efficiency and outstandingly low emissions, with the reassurance of a conventional petrol engine when needed. The result? How about a car that will accelerate from 0 to 62 miles an hour in just 6 seconds, yet emit as little as 22 grams per kilometre of carbon dioxide? It's also capable of driving up to 46 miles on electric only. So, no emissions during this mileage. Now that's good news for the environment and great news for company car drivers when it comes to taxation. And don't forget the reduced fuel bills. I'm looking forward to that saving. In the meantime, you sit in the lap of luxury, open the doors and slide into an exceptionally high quality interior. It's the small touches that make the difference. You can instantly sense the quality just from the appearance and the feel of the materials. Key information is provided through 2 large screens. The second display helps you to maximise high level of convenience technology, stay connected with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. S-Flow air conditioning uses sensors in the seats to detect where passengers are and directs airflow only at those seats in use, saving valuable energy and keeping all in the car happy, whether that's just yourself or more. I'm cold! Well, put your heated seat on then. Are we nearly there yet? Honestly, I work with kids. There's so much more I wish I could tell you. For example, I haven't shown you how to operate the boot in the winter without getting messy or with your hands full of shopping. What we have, though, is a robust and sporty SUV, a car as happy to ease your trip home as it is taking you out for a fun drive. Yet, you can rest assured knowing that you and your occupants are being protected by the very latest in proactive safety equipment. Thank you for letting me share just a few of our favourite things about the Suzuki Across. If you'd like to know more about the amazing Across, then please contact your local...